2021 Mercedes-Benz AMG One Hypercar. A special limited model, Mercedes-Benz AMG One, that Mercedes-Benz sold only 275 units worldwide, but it was released for the first time in the world in 2017, and production was scheduled to start in 2019, but it has a low displacement. F1 Michael Knoller, boss of AMG product management and global sales, said that a major problem with installing an engine would cause a delay of nearly 2 years, resulting in shipment and delivery of the initial lot model to the owner in 2021, it became clear from explanation of. According to Michael Knoller, at the Los Angeles Auto Show 2019, the customer has already been contacted about shipping in 2021, and the following two problems that have been more concerned than before have already been solved. It is said that it is moving in the direction. The problem with the F1 engine, which has been a concern for some time, is that the engine speed is usually 5,000 RPM when idling, therefore, it is necessary to keep it at 1,200 RPM. For the public road specifications, it is necessary to somehow clear the regulations. Another problem is how to start the F1 engine, which is the hardest part of the development of this model. The conventional F1 car uses an external starter motor to start, but this is applied to the AMG One. It is said that it will be somehow cleared by developing a custom-made starter motor, as it is not practical to do so. But the development cost of the engine is extremely high. The modern F1 engine has ridiculous performance and technology not found in public road models. The individual must be sold for about $2.7 million each, even if it is not, so it will be necessary to focus on considerable cost cut. At this point, the more you sell AMG One, the more you will be in the red. AMG One, that overcomes these problems, and realizes that only 275 units are sold worldwide. The powertrain that interested in uses a plug-in hybrid of 1.6-liter, V-type 6-cylinder turbocharger engine, plus electric motor that adopts F1 technology, and the total output of the system exceeds 1,000 PS. If you run only with all EV, you can run about 25 km from a fully charged state, except for the gasoline travel distance, and while installing this high power output, it is equipped with a system that exceeds 20 km, has been praised for its considerable technology. As for the performance of linearity, the acceleration time of 0 to 200 km/h is less than 6 seconds, and the maximum speed is more than 350 km/h, but there are some changes about this when the official commercial model appeared. What do you think of new Mercedes AMG One? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates.